The Concrete Saver Decorative Quartz Broadcast Flooring System provides a unique multicolored anti-slip finish for any floor that is exposed to vehicle traffic and frequent chemical spills. It is not only chemical resistant, but also UV stable, making it durable enough to last season after season. The first step is to prepare your surface. Remove everything from the space, then sweep or blow out any loose debris. Next, use Crud Cutter Original to clean the entire floor, focusing on grease and oil spots or heavily soiled areas. Then rinse with water and allow to dry. Mechanically or chemically prepare the concrete to create a CSP level 2 to 3 profile and vacuum the dust up. In this example, we are using a diamond grinder. Next, patch and repair holes with the pourable concrete patch and allow to dry. Fill cracks and control joints with flexible joint sealant and allow 4 hours of dry time before moving on to the water-based epoxy primer. Certain areas that cannot be mechanically ground, like the perimeter of the floor, control joint valleys, around any support beams, and the apron of a garage, should be primed with Concrete Saver Hard Surface Primer in a similar color that you will broadcast with. Apply the hard surface primer at a wet film thickness of 4 to 6 mils and allow to dry for 5 hours before top coating. Now onto the base coat, in which the quartz will be broadcast onto the floor. Predetermine your square footage per mixed batch. Use Concrete Saver BuildKote as your base coat to broadcast into. Pre-mix each component separately using a drill mixer. And be sure to use separate mixing blades for each product. Next, combine the BuildKote base coat components in a 1:2 base to activator mix ratio. Drill mix for 2 minutes. Pour a ribbon of the activated BuildKote onto the floor in a predetermined area. Squeegee and back roll with a lint-free roller to achieve a wet film thickness of 10 to 12 mils. While the BuildKote base coat is still wet, broadcast quartz to full rejection. Allow to fully dry for 2 to 4 hours, then sweep and vacuum any loose quartz. Next, use Concrete Saver FinishKote 80 as the grout coat. Predetermine your square footage per mixed batch. Pre-mix each component separately using a drill mixer. Again, be sure to use separate mixing blades for each product. Combine the FinishKote 80 components in a 1:1 base to activator mix ratio and drill mix together for 2 minutes. Pour out a ribbon of the activated FinishKote 80 onto the floor in a predetermined area and squeegee and back roll with a lint-free roller to achieve a wet film thickness of 12 to 14 mils. Allow to dry for a minimum of 2 hours and a maximum of 12 hours before top coating. Next, apply Concrete Saver FastKote UV with durability additive for the final protective coat. Predetermine your square footage per mixed batch. Combine the FastKote components and drill mix together for 2 minutes. Pour contents into an 18-inch roller tray. Then, roll with an 18-inch lint-free roller to achieve a wet film thickness of 4 mils. When rolling, dip and roll in a north-south direction, and then do a final cross roll in an east-west direction. It's safe to walk on FastKote UV in as little as 4 hours. Wait 24 hours before allowing vehicle travel. Now, enjoy your Concrete Saver Broadcast Quartz flooring. This decorative, anti-slip, UV-stable, and chemical-resistant floor is sure to last for years to come.